Hi guys, it's your girl Me-Anie here, and right now I just want to tune in with you guys and talk to you about the skin that I'm in. If you guys follow me on my Snapchat, about a month ago I purchased this cocoa butter that I absolutely fell in love with, and I want to come on and share it with you. Now, this cocoa butter I bought on Amazon. Purchased it on Amazon for about anywhere from $9 to $10. The price on Amazon changes, you know, from day to day. But this was basically 1 pound. It comes in brick form, 1 pound of cocoa butter. And I say was because this bad boy is empty, okay? So 1 pound of cocoa butter is raw cocoa butter. And I absolutely love the way it smells. So on here it says it's anti-aging, it's good for eczema, chapped lips, dermatitis, dehydrated skin, mouth sores, poison ivy, rashes, stretch marks, sunburn, and more. So first of all, what I really love is the presentation. For some reason, I just felt something about like the chocolate factory when I got this, and it came in like this brick. Maybe it's the way that it smelled, I don't know. But I was super excited. I love the packaging. You basically open this, unroll it, and it comes in a plastic brick. Now, like I said, I'm gonna say was because this bad boy is empty. I've had it for about a month now and it's almost gone. So let me show you guys what I have left. I have these two little pieces left. And I've been using it every day. Now, when I first received it, I basically got a hot knife and I cut it into 4 pieces just to have something a little bit more usable on a day-to-day basis. I love the way it feels. I love the way it smells.
I'm about to smell like a king-size chocolate bar all up and through here.
It makes my skin feel amazing. Sometimes I mix it with my lavender oil. I don't like the fact that both the smells would then start to clash. Not in a bad way. Like, I love to smell cocoa butter and I love to smell lavender oil, but I don't want them to kind of overtake each other. So I definitely am gonna buy another pack of this. It lasts me anywhere from 4 weeks, and I still have these 2 little pieces left. They're probably gonna last me about a week because I use this daily. So I went onto Amazon and I tried to re-up, but they were totally out. So I ended up getting something else. I ended up getting a mango butter. So let me show you what that looks like. I've only been using it a couple days, so I'll definitely come back on and give you a review of it. And what kind of pushed me towards the mango butter was they have all types. They have mango butter, they have shea butter, the cocoa butter. But I wanted to try the mango butter, and the reason I wanted to try this is because it said it had a light mango aroma, and I love mangoes. I love mangoes. Okay, so I'll come back on maybe about a month or so and let you guys know how it's going with this one, and let you know if I approve of it and which one I will be getting next. I don't think I'm gonna get the shea butter just because I've never been a big fan of shea butter at all. I do not like the smell at all. It's not the smell for me. I like good aromas, and shea butter to me does not have that at all, so I won't be doing that. But right off the bat, I will tell you I was equally impressed and approve of the packaging. I'm like, y'all are just doing it all up. Like, I love these packages. Like, what else am I gonna get? Purple? If I get purple, I'm just gonna be over the moon, okay, if I get a purple package. Right off the bat, love the packaging, but disappointed in the aroma. And if you guys want to know why, definitely stay tuned for my next review. I'll be reviewing the mango butter to let you know how I feel about this and if it works. Go on to Amazon. I will try my best to leave a link down below from where I purchased this cocoa butter so you guys can get it. I love it. I love it, okay? I absolutely love it. And the reason I love it so much too is because summertime is here and I get tons of bug bites. I don't know why, but mosquitoes love me ridiculously. Love me down boots, as Jalicia would say, okay? They love me like crazy, and I can't take it. You know, I want to be out. Like, even yesterday I got some bug bites just sitting inside on my porch. See? So it's gonna help my skin even out as the summer goes by and I get all these mosquito bites and bug bites and stuff, because I do have a camping trip coming up pretty soon, and I know that's not gonna be anything fun if I can't get rid of these marks when I'm all done. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. It was pretty short, quick. Until next time, stay tuned and wait for my mango butter review. Remember, if the message matters, share it with someone you love. Keep rising.